Hey guys, 𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸 system. What is it? How it works, and how it's filling up my inbox with commissions. All right. Power Lead System is a marketing suite and an affiliate commission powerhouse, all rolled into one. All right. So with the Power Lead System, you can earn anywhere from $6. You can earn $20 commissions, $100 commissions, and $400 commissions, all in the same system. And as we roll out our Master Traffic Institute, you could start earning $1,000 commission. So if you do the math, this system will allow you to earn $1,500 per day, all in the same system. It used to be if you wanted to earn money like that, you had to join multiple systems, or you had to join, you would have a lower ticket item, and then you would have a high ticket item, which allowed you to earn $1,000 commissions. Well, now our system allows you to earn high ticket commissions, medium tier commissions, and low commissions, all in the same system. This is a Power Lead System is something that every person who is online needs, and it allows you to just simply earn. All right. So what I want to show you is the power of the Power Lead System and what it really does. So it allows me to get leads in my inbox, okay, and commissions. All right. It's very simple, and our team is one of the most duplicatable teams out there. Okay, so what our team has done is we have created done-for-you funnels where it's so easy for a newbie to go in, get their funnel set up within 24 hours, and to start earning. Okay, let me just show you what happened last night. Last night, it says right here, 10:41, I got 89 leads. Okay, someone became an affiliate, so I got a $20 commission there. This is at 10:18 a.m. Then let's see, at 12:05 I got another customer that also gives me a $20 commission. I got a gold member the day before, $20 commission. I got a lead lightning, that's a $6 commission. So these are coming in, and then as you look over here, I have leads coming in, another 69, another 30. Okay, leads are the lifeline of your potential to earn money online, because the more people you have come into your system, the more people you have to talk to about what it is you have to offer without chasing people. And this is why people fail online. They don't have enough people to talk to. No one has really told them that they need traffic and leads in order to succeed online. But our team has broken that down. They've broken down the formula. All right, so here's what I want to do for you. I want to answer whatever questions you have about this system, about how you can get started, and I want to plug you into our free team so that you could see the proof in our team, what we're doing and how we're doing. No wondering how we're doing what we're doing. This is how we're doing it. This is how we're literally waking up to commissions in our inbox. Okay, so I'm on my lunch break right now making this quick video, and I'm earning. All right, I'm earning. I have commissions coming in while I'm at work. I have commissions that have been coming in while I was asleep. And it's because of the system that our team has created with Power Lead System. All right. So that's it. I look forward to you winning online, connecting with you, and showing you how simple we have made this. All right. Now, you can come in several ways. You can come in at the $6 level, a $7 level lead lightning one time. You never have to pay that again. And then you can start earning $6 commissions. You can, of course, come in as a gold member. Okay, you pay $53.97 a month, and that allows you to earn $20 commissions over and over and over and over again as a gold member. Okay, and then you can upgrade from there if you like. There's diamond level where you can earn $100 commissions, and then there's platinum level where you can earn $400 commissions, and then our Master Traffic Institute where you can earn $1,000 commissions. So whatever level you come in, you get to earn at that level and all the levels underneath. So if you come in as a diamond, all right, you can earn $100 commissions over and over again. Okay, you come in as a gold, you can earn gold and lead lightning commissions. All right, so I myself am a platinum member. I went all in because I want to earn $500 a day plus. All right, I am on the track to leave my job in this year. That is what I'm working towards, is leaving my job. And that's what I'm doing. All right. So here's to your success online. And bye, guys. Oh, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay. Bye.